Hey guys, I wanted to update you on this little nightstand that we got here. It's looking really nice. We've had it for a while now, for at least 4 or 5, maybe 6 months. We got it earlier this year. Anyways, it is very easy to put together. It has these metal side pieces that just connect. These have fabric drawers that you can pull in and pull out, and the handles are screwed in here just with a screwdriver. Very easy to clean off. The drawers have a good amount of depth in there, so you can put a lot of items in here. As you can see, we've got all of our little baby toys in here. And then on the bottom, we've got more blankets and things that the baby will need. And on the top, you have the wooden piece right here. That's very easy to clean off, dust. We just take some disinfectant spray, wipe it down, and just dust it with a regular duster. And the top has a lot of space, so we have enough room for a plant, a little diffuser, a little reed diffuser, a clock, and one of our pictures. So this definitely does the job for us. It's really nice in the room. And I almost forgot to mention that on the bottom you have feet here that can raise this up and down, so that way you can adjust the height. But definitely recommend this. Does a great job in our home, and hopefully it'll do a good job in yours as well.